The PSTIG 1080p GPS Wi-Fi Cam XS2 Pro redefines the standard for car surveillance technology. With its comprehensive coverage, advanced features, and user-friendly design, this dash cam offers unmatched peace of mind for drivers everywhere. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a cross-country adventure, trust the PSTIG XS2 Pro to keep you safe, secure, and fully informed every step of the way. With time-lapse recording, the XS2 Pro condenses every 30 minutes of video footage into just 1 minute, allowing you to capture hours of driving without worrying about running out of storage space. This innovative feature ensures that you never miss a moment, even on the longest of journeys. Equipped with 4 cameras, the PSTIG XS2 Pro captures a 360-degree view of your vehicle, ensuring comprehensive monitoring both inside and outside. Whether you're concerned about potential collisions, theft, or vandalism, this dash cam has you covered from every angle. With crystal clear 1080p resolution, the display pictures are pristine, offering unparalleled clarity even in low-light conditions. Never lose track of your driving route again. With built-in GPS functionality, the PSTIG XS2 Pro records detailed information about your journey, including position, speed, longitude, and latitude. This data is seamlessly integrated into your video footage, providing a comprehensive record of your travels, complete with date and time stamps. In the event of an emergency, every second counts. That's why the PSTIG XS2 Pro comes equipped with a G sensor that automatically detects sudden movements or collisions and initiates emergency recording. This ensures that crucial footage is captured and saved, helping you document and navigate unexpected situations with ease.